All right, y'all, as stated, this is the last video in the series. We're actually going to create some more social content. This time we're going to use a video instead of an article. So once again, on the left side, if you click over on the content marketing, it'll bring you to this page. Click on add new and then select the industry that you want to do the post from. Once again, there's thousands of articles here that you get to choose from. So in this case, once again, we're dealing with digital marketing, and we're going to choose a video this time instead of an audio or instead of an article. And once again, you see there's hundreds of videos in all those different categories. In this particular case, we're going to see 5 social marketing tips to dominate 2019. All right, so let's go ahead and use that. We can preview it if we want to, but for sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and use this as an example. Once you get your system, you'll be able to see all the different options that are available for you there. Let's see, we're going to make sure that we select the right landing page. When you create multiple pages, your drop-down list will begin to grow. Make sure you have it connected to the one that you want to build your list to, because once again, the purpose for this is to generate unlimited leads and to build your list. So people that are interested in this particular content that you're posting are going to be redirected and going to be given additional information that you choose for them to have. You could change the image if you wanted to. If you didn't like that image, we're going to leave everything like it is. But for the changing of the image, you have, once again, all kinds of images that you can choose from. I do encourage you, maybe I will make some other videos later where we're actually going to go into the details and play around with all of these options. But for simplicity and training's sake, we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to take the name field off again. Once again, I can add the name field. I can add the phone number field. I can add another field if I wanted to, a custom field I can type in. But once again, for the initial engagements, the least you ask for, the greater the chance of participation. And then if you're in the UK, you can add your GDP, excuse me, your GDPR compliance right here to make sure that you do have that covered. And we'll just go ahead and leave that in there. And that way, we are covered by the anti-spam rules if they're in the European Union. They're not applicable to the United States right now, but you never can tell how things change. So anyway, once you have that set up, you can go ahead and click save, and then from there you're going to go ahead and post it. If you watched the last video or so, we just created a new page for us to aggregate this content. And that is the unlimited leads page. So just drop down to share on a page that you manage, and then scroll down to the page that you want to put your post on. You're not restricted to just one page. You can do multiple if you want, and you can share the post multiple times. So this is social media marketing tips to dominate. Here's some helpful information. Information that I think you can benefit from. Check out the video. Check out the video. I'll just leave it like that. And boom, we're going to post that to Facebook. And just that simple, your post is there. So we're going to jump back over to Facebook. We're going to look at that page. And refresh this. I apologize, I just made a post of something else and I'm getting a lot of responses from that, which is cool. and you will do the same thing. This is a newly created page, so we don't have any friends or anybody following. We haven't invited anybody to follow yet. I'm just doing the training, but here's the video post that we just made. Here's some helpful information that I think, I need to go in and edit that. Boom. So I'm going to click boom, click edit post, come in and be grammatically correct, my friend, that I think, capital I, buddy. And I think you can benefit from. Check out the video. I'm done editing. So there it is. If they click on the post, boom, takes them to the video. If they put their information in, understand the GDP, boom, they can watch the video. And there it is. So I come back, go into my back office. And I can see the lead that just came in from that, and that's really cool. So that is the 7th and the last video in creating your leads. Once again, when you set everything up, you're going to have access to the system. You go on your Pixel Perfect Builder, you go into the back office from there, and we'll save that for another video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got everything set up and you see your post on your social. That's the video. That is the article post. That is the site that we just made. Please go there, like us, join us, follow us there, limitedleads.club, and we'll be putting more videos there. But once again, if you want to take advantage of the trial to get your free lead system, you can go to the unlimitedleads.club website, and let's go ahead and pull that up right quick, and it'll take you through the 7 steps. Excuse me, unlimitedleads.club. I'm sorry, I apologize for how large it is, because this is designed for mobile specifically. And we drop it down. See, you got tons of stuff. But at any rate, these are the 7 steps that we just created. Come back to this site often. I'm going to be adding links to the video for each one of these that I created a video for each one of these steps. And so you'll be able to get information there. You can contact us here as well if you like. And you will have to register to get free access. Actually, I think I'll probably just take that off. So we'll just let everybody jump in. Yeah, cool. Thanks for joining me, and hopefully this information can help you get your system set up, get your free leads started, duplicate this, rinse and repeat, create as many lead systems as you need for whatever it is that you're trying to do. And yeah, you can get quite a few leads. Now, what does a lead mean to you? If you can turn it into a sale or a client or customer, whatever it is, it's up to you. All right, it's Joe Sales. Thanks for joining me. Peace.